Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly flush your DNS cache to clear stale routing paths and potentially fix connectivity issues. Flushing DNS is a common troubleshooting step for network and internet problems. Let's learn why this is important. DNS, or domain name system, is like the internet's phone book. Your computer stores a cache of DNS lookups to speed up access to websites. However, sometimes this cache can contain outdated or stale routing paths. To flush the DNS, you'll need to open the command prompt application on your computer. Search for CMD in your start menu, and make sure to run the command prompt application as an administrator to have the necessary permissions. The command we'll use is very simple yet powerful for clearing your DNS cache. In the command prompt window, type in ipconfig/flushdns exactly as shown. Once the command is typed, it's time to execute it to clear the cache. Press the Enter key to run the ipconfig/flushdns command. After the command runs, you should receive a confirmation message. You should see a message confirming successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. This means the stale routing paths are cleared. That's it. You've successfully flushed your DNS cache. Remember that flushing DNS helps clear out old entries, which can resolve various connectivity issues and improve your overall internet browsing experience.